Bella Vista. The name says it all because this 4,000 square meter plot has a 450 square meter house, and it is just too magnificent to describe. Uh, you from the garden, you look at False Bay, you look at vineyards, you look at valleys, and the garden is a an absolute paradise with that has had a lot of love already. But of course, as a keen gardener, you would know that a gardener's job is never done. We're now going to walk to the onto the by the second patio into the dining room. Brief glimpse at the lounge, the main lounge. Breakfast nook, as you can see. Pantry over there. Gas hob, and then the scullery where all the noisy appliances are housed. Here's a little surprise just on your left hand side coming up. That's your breakfast morning tea area. The sun rises on the east, and that's east facing, and also faces the Hottentots Hollow Mountains. Now we're walking towards the main front door, which you can't see, which is right here on the left, and then number 3 bedroom with ensuite bathroom, which also serves as a guest toilet because it has a separate entrance towards it. Shower, toilet, wash hand basin. The windows face true east. Beautiful mountain views, a typical de Werf scene. Back to the lounge. Magnificent views all the way around. We're now walking from the main lounge past the open veranda, second veranda, to the second bedroom, which features a beautiful picture window and double opening doors onto the veranda and the swimming with a swimming pool. The bathroom is en suite, bath, the usual things, wash hand basin, toilet, and a big nice glass shower. Here, this is the main second lounge, and that's the first lounge. The pool on the left, Gordon's Bay right there, and this is the beautiful windows and sliding doors opening everywhere. We are now going towards the second wing, looking through the study window, which is the small little study area for him and her, right close to the 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3, which has a bay window just to enhance the view. Beautiful big cupboards. Bathroom en suite featured just in the same way as the previous one. Bath with a view. What else can I say? Now we are going back to the study area, and this is Brian's study area with lots of cupboard space for the files and the office, and there's Joe's area. They just like to be close to the master bedroom, and when you do some thinking, you can just look out the window and look at Gordon's Bay. So here we enter the master bedroom. Look at that view. Isn't that something to wake up to? Again, wall-to-wall cupboards, so to speak, floor-to-ceiling cupboards, bathroom en suite, very, very spacious. Look at that. Picture window, the sunken bath, facing east, bay window, 3 sides window, plenty of elbow room for his and her wash hand basin. And while you soak in that bath, you can think about what you're going to do next in your walk in your garden. Walk-in shower, plenty of space, you can feel comfortable. Don't forget, this garden is only about 2 years old, so there has been lots of love given to it, but there's still lots of room for some green hands to do things. Lying there with a bottle of champagne would be just lovely. There's the garage. I haven't shown more details. Spacious garage with a man cave and a workshop incorporated in this as a separate room where you can do your hobby work to your heart's content. One last glance to the master bedroom and the view that it enjoys. It's just magnificent, isn't it? Could you see yourself living here and enjoying those views? Give us a call.